Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Many B.Ed students find research confusing, especially when they hear about research problem and variables. Today I will explain in simple language what is research, how to identify a research problem. Number third, what are variables and why they are important. After this video, you will feel confident about research. So, what is research? Research is a systematic study of a problem to find solutions. In education, research means observing a problem in teaching or learning, collecting data, analyzing results, suggesting improvements. Research is not copying. Research is finding answer through evidence. Now, what is a research problem? A research problem is a specific issue that needs investigation. For example, problem in education. It is not a specific issue. If we say problems faced by secondary school teachers in classroom management, it is now a specific issue. Now, how to identify a research problem? You can identify it from classroom observations. Classroom observations. Second, from school environment. Teacher-student interaction. Previous studies. You can use internet. You can find previous study from internet, from thesis, journals, etc. Now, you need to be careful. Use internet for ideas, not copying. How to refine a research problem? Most initial problems are too broad. To refine, narrow the topic. Specify the issue, define population, limit area and time. For example, students' motivation. This topic is not refined. In other way, if we say effect of motivation on academic achievement of secondary school students, here now the problem is refined. So, refinement is actually, what does it do? It makes research manageable and clear. Now let's understand variable. What are variables? A variable is something that can change or vary in research. In education, there are some common variables, but not limited to these. Number one, teaching methods, motivation, study habits, academic achievement, classroom management, etc. Now, what are the types of variable? Here we are discussing types of variables. So for B.Ed student, they must know about two main variables. One is independent variable, which is called the CAS. For example, teaching method, motivation, and etc. are independent variables. Second one is dependent variable, the effect. For example, effect of teaching method on student achievement. Here in this topic, teaching method is independent variable. Why? Students' achievement is dependent variable. If you cannot identify variables, your topic is not clear. So, if you want to link a problem, you need refinement and variable. Research topic always has a clear problem, well-refined focus, identified variables. Now, if we look at this example, Effect of study habits on the academic achievement of secondary school students. Here, this topic is clear, it is refined, and the variables are identified. Now to conclude, research becomes easy when problem is clear, problem is refined, variables are identified. Variables give direction to your research.